Voting opened on schedule in most polling units in Awka metropolis, with a mixed demographic voters seen queuing up to elect their new governor amidst tight security. A cluster of polling booths in Awka Ward 5 and several voting centers within the Awka South and North Castle areas recorded what observers described as impressive turnout of voters.
It's been quite peaceful because, for instance, yesterday we did advise the President General of this town to engage town criers so that they can do the usual. That's the practice of the old.
But what's played out at the major streets of Awka, there are a lot of military or security personnel. But at the voting units themselves, you usually have the same police officers like we're having here without arms.
I expect that it is a monumental, like a quantum leap from what we used to have.
The electorate had defied earlier fears and concerns of security challenges which created uncertainties over the holding of the polls. However, at polling centers around the Eke Market Square, Awka, the malfunctioning of the beavers, a newly introduced election technology for accreditation of voters, delayed the takeoff of polling, leaving most voters stranded.
I don't think since people don't do something here. Since morning, this thing they do maga.
So many people don't tire for where they do.
See, sun don't beat us well here.
But the machine is very few, sure understand. And it's very small for us to do it.
Kelechi, Ekeledo, AIT News, Awka.